I think that CDA or child service, whatever you want to call it, did the right thing. They have a job to protect the kids, and that is exactly what they're doing.
Them take the pin of them and not give me none. Them take the pin them for me and not give me no information, none. Them got them school 100 police and take them. Do that. Me I will do. They sit up on me. I don't do the things them and me don't even want to ask how I feel. Come on, me youth them. Me don't even care for no class, me bro. Just don't take one thing where wanna take my heart, bro. Wanna take my heart. Just
Where you come here, sir, ball for? We have Shanta. Can we help you get back bar? Go on down there, sir, go bar, overweight blood.
The Scoop.
What a guan, my people. If you're new here to my channel, my name is Michelle and you're watching The Scoop. Guys, I go give thanks for life now, man. Yeah, man, every day above ground is a blessing. So each morning when you wake up, just raise the hand to the sky and say, Lord, I thank you for waking me up today. Thank you for everything that you have done for me and all that you're about to do for me. Yeah, man. Guys, please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I'm going to get into today's video. I came across a video of Rosalee crying, saying that Jakes and his family took police and CDA to the kids them school and take them. Yes, she said she don't have no idea where they are, guys. No idea. She tried to get their location and nobody's giving her any information. So she's crying and carrying on, guys. But guys, to be honest, I think that CDA did the right thing. Because Rosalee, she was on her live and she said something that was very alarming, very concerning. So hence the reason why Jakes and his family took CDA to the school to take the kids. And I see a lot of TikTokers that give them 2 cents. So I could take a listen to them and hear what them have to say. And then I come back, come give my opinion, guys.
Me nah say me glad them take them permanently. That's not what I'm rejoicing for. I'm rejoicing for how quick they move to go for the kids them as soon as them hear that happen. And if uno people not agree, uno go on. Go! I glad they stepped in so quick and take them kids. Yesterday I was on live and I said that I don't think Rosalee will hurt them, but you might not know what a man is going through. So CDA need to take them and go and give her some counseling. And then Rosalee doesn't learn. Because how the hell you say you're going to have your kids and them just take a picnic, head up and live a drink? We are show the people them say, you don't care about your kids. You don't care about your picnic. So when CDA watch all your life right now and say, yeah, drink for your life. Them obvious are drunky. Them not gonna send back the kids them for now.
So Rosalee, CDA take the kids them and you them on live a drink? What kind of message you saying? So how you think that make you look? You look unfit and unstable right now, Rosalee. You understand? You can't depend on social media. I cry for your kids them. And I talk how much you love your kids them and you want your kids them at the same time depend on live a drink. You know look good, Rose. Me never know so me could only face the day when me agree with Ivani. But I agree with Ivani 100%.
Who sent CDA the videos? Who sent CDA the live? Who sent CDA everything? CDA is doing their job. CDA at this point did nothing wrong. We are not blaming CDA at this point.
Mommy.
CDA did nothing wrong.
I think that CDA or child service, whatever you want to call it, did the right thing. They have a job to protect the kids and that is exactly what they're doing. You understand?
I truly don't like you, man. That's why, bro. I tell you no. That was that.
Idiot, yeah.
I'm me the one that come so bobo me say then. Me and Rosie catch up, you know. Eh. That not karma, bro. That a fuck, bro, no do.
Not a fuck with it, true.
And that's a karma.
People want me eat like pies and jobbers and I still would want to reach them.
And you can't just say a people not like Rose call CDA upon her. No, it can't be just one random person, one random citizen, concerned citizen. I watch the live and hear what Rose say and decide to call CDA. And that person who did that did the right thing. Did the right thing. Well, if somebody do it out of spite, just to spite her and punish her, It is not nice. You understand? Because bad to bad, we know say Rose love her picnic them. Bad to bad, we know say Rose, she love her kids. Remember, you know, Jamaican parents, especially the ones in the ghettos, they don't really know how to show love and affection, you know. They don't really know how to tell them kids them, say them love them, you know. And show love and affection, you know. But at the end of the day, we know say them love we. Rose, she never get no love. She always say it. Nobody never show her no love growing up. So she don't really know how to show love and affection to the kids them. But we know say she love them. We know say she love them. And we parents, more time we talk some things that come out of mouth. To the kids them, we never give a problem. We don't mean it. But what Rose said, that out of context, guys. Where Rose say, it is concerning.
What Rosalee did was wrong. Rosalee said, I'm going to play it again because look like we're deaf. Rosalee said that she just feel like for unlife Drakes and the kids them.
So CDA had no choice but to step in. Also the kids' father's family, they had no choice but to step in. Because they are all concerned about the kids. And who can blame them? I do not blame them. I do not blame them. We have to take accountability for what we say out of our mouth. Especially when it comes to kids. We have to take accountability. So Rose, I know that you might be feeling down and out because you will know you love your kids them. But Rose, I personally think that you need to take some time off. You need to take some time to find yourself. Because you have been acting up really bad lately. Yeah. So I think that you need to take some time to find yourself. I hear a young man telling you the other day, you know, that Rose, if you have to depend on a man or anybody else to love you or to make you feel good about yourself or to let you feel accepted, then you're going to get hurt. You have to learn to accept yourself, love yourself. Yeah, man, no depend on nobody for that. Nobody approval.
I'm sorry for the kids.
But you're not sorry for your...
No, it's not a matter if I'm sorry for you or not. You see, you have to remember, you know, you have to take accountability for your actions. Especially for the fact that you're there in the media and people always watch you. You can continuously do and say certain things and just expect, say, you have to just get over with it because you have to remember, you know, Kiki.
Yeah.
Remember, say, all of we are human being, right? Even you are telling me Saturday you used to crash out and you feel like you want off yourself, right?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm just try explain to people them say, you have to remember, say, what if it did actually happen? You understand? So I think she just need some counseling, and then when them say she fit, then them do what them need to do.
And it's about the situation, you know, me not...
Anybody would have feel bad because all of your parents.
I'm not sorry for Rose, you know, because Rose not sorry for nobody and Rose not like nobody more than her pitney them and herself. But, you know, as what me say, her kids, but deep down, me not think Rose will go hurt her kids. Me not care what nobody, she never did.
No, I don't think nobody, no, but all right. So, I'm going to tell you how your pre-life. It's not a case where we think, I don't believe she should have hurt her kids either. But I believe say, as a person or as a human being, you can get frustrated, you can crash out. And whatever that happens, anything is possible. So if, remember, you know, sometimes when you talk things away, a trauma will build up in your head and depression. And you never might know how you might react. You understand? Remember, say, you tell me, must say yesterday, say, you're at one point, you just feel like you just do things to yourself, correct?
Correct.
Right, but you never do it, but you still have the thoughts, right?
Yeah.
Then I have to agree with TJ. Because what if it actually happened? What if it did happen? Remember, you know, a whole lot of things are going on right now, you know, it's surprising, you know. And unbelievably, you know. And you have to say, really? So and so do that? Eh? So, you can't blame CDA, you can't blame the people who call CDA. They did it for the children's safety. And I don't blame them. Rosalee, she need counseling. Find yourself, Rosalee. Are you name Rosalee, you know? People love you, you know, Rose. People love you upon the media. Despite you have one and two people who are trollers where you don't pay them the people in the mind, man. No pay them no mind. Cause for them life sad, you understand? Pay the people in mind will love you. Cause you have genuine people out there will genuinely love you. May I tell you that, Rose? Because if you know that the kids are somewhere safe, if you know that Jake's family love your children, and where they are safe, them not for worry all do, you know, guys. I can tell you something, you know, nobody love like a mother's love, you know. Nobody not will care for your picking them like, oh, you care for them, you know. So I kind of know where Rose feel, but if you know, say Jake's family, them love the kids, them, and they're safe, them not go hungry, no nothing, no worry about them, Rose. Take a little time off yourself. Take a little time off yourself. And as a parent, I know that you don't want to hear that. But believe me, you need to take a little time off. You've been acting up lately. Yeah. All because of Akeem. All because of Akeem. Boy, oh boy, guys. It is really sad though. It is really sad. It is really, really sad. And if someone out there that is just being vindictive and just want to call the CDA upon Rose to take away our kids, that is not nice. It is not nice, guys. Someone who never breed from the day you no born, you know. Who no piss never burn grass, so no know nothing. Who no don't know. You understand? Why, I feel a pain, Rose. I feel a pain. But to be honest, I think that CDA did the right thing because you said something out of your mouth that was very concerning, very alarming. You understand? And you have to look in at yourself, Rosalee, and take accountability and say self, you know, say me did really wrong for so me say. Even if you never did mean it. Or we know if you mean it. Remember, anything can chick off in a people in the Rose. Remember, enough time we hear some things on the news. And we are saying, really? How one daughter do that to their mother? How one son do that to their parents? How parents do this to their kids? Remember? So nobody now go hear say that out of your mouth, Rose, and no call CDA. Sorry, love. Sorry, my dear. Nobody now go hear say anything like that out of your mouth and no call CDA unless that person is not a parent. And even if that person is not a parent, from them ears say something out of your mouth like that, call CDA right away. Out of concern. Not because you want CDA to take away the picnic them. So, I can't back you up on that one, Rose. I feel a pain, but I know you'll get back up into them. Just so you get back up into them, Rosalee, but just take a little break. Yeah, man. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this story. Let me know, guys. Because I personally, I think that CDA did the right thing. I think that Jake's, his family, and CDA, child service, whatever, they did the right thing. Yes. Because what Rosalee said was very alarming, guys. Very, very alarming. You understand? And if you don't know what she said, I'm going to go look up on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. What good? I want to make you spread love now, guys.
The Scoop.